Rice bran oil is manufactured at such a huge level and it is promoted as a heart healthy oil that you can use in your cooking. Rice bran oil is manufactured from the outer covering of the rice called the rice bran. Now it also has benefits like lowering cholesterol. But is it really a healthy oil? Should you be using it for your cooking? Watch this video and you will have your answers. Welcome back to Full Plate Nutrition. This is Disha Gada, BSc Nutrition and Dietetics and Advanced Diploma in Weight Loss and Weight Management. You know I am legit. My aim with this channel is that I equip you with correct information about nutrition and exercise so that you can conquer health. I aim to upload once or twice in a week. So if that's of interest to you, please go down there and hug the subscribe button. And now let's find our answers. Now rice bran is the waste product of rice. During the polishing of rice, it is removed. Brown rice is unpolished rice and it is coated with the bran. Now rice bran in its original form has a lot of health benefits. But can we say the same about the oil made from it? Let's see. Now you need to understand that the bran itself of the rice does not have a lot of oil as opposed to a lot of seeds like groundnut, sesame, mustard or in fact even coconut. Hence, a natural, unrefined, unprocessed extraction of oil from this bran is completely impossible. This means that in order to extract the oil from this bran that does not contain oil itself would involve a lot of processes, a lot of chemicals involved in that too at a commercial level. Would you believe it that the extraction of this oil from bran would require chemical solvents like hexane, and hexane is actually a petrochemical product. So what I mean to say that a cold pressed rice bran oil, the cold pressed or the ancient method of extracting oil, जिसको हम कच्ची गानी का oil बोलते हैं in Hindi, that is completely impossible from the bran of the rice because it itself does not contain any oil, as opposed to seeds like groundnut and coconut, where even if you just press the seeds you will see that the oil is coming out. So that cold pressing is a completely mechanical process which does not involve any chemicals, which is completely impossible to do it on a bran. So now you understand what someone is consuming when they are consuming rice bran oil is just a slow poison in the name of cholesterol lowering oil. Rice bran oil is not natural. We have clearly established this. We have also established that a lot of refined products which go through a lot of chemical processes are not good for health. And we already know that rice bran cannot be unrefined, it cannot be cold pressed. It has to go through a lot of chemical processes in order to be obtained. Did you know that in order to obtain the oil from the rice bran, it has to go through processes such as bleaching, dewaxing, deodorizing, degumming, and acid or alkaline treatments. Okay, I know, just listening to these things, it is like, okay, what is happening? What are these big words? Imagine what the process would be like. So, as compared to other unrefined and cold pressed oils, rice bran oil loses its natural state, which makes it less healthy than all the other unprocessed oils. Rice bran oil also causes inflammation. Consuming high amounts of omega-6 fatty acids and comparatively low amounts of omega-3 fatty acids creates a lot of inflammation in the body. Now you can naturally understand, because it goes through so many of refining processes, the amount of omega-6 in rice bran oil is comparatively very high. So when you consume it regularly over time, it causes a lot of inflammation in the body, and inflammation is directly related to heart diseases, cancer and a lot of other diseases in the body. Did you know rice bran oil also contains a lot of heavy metals? Now vegetable oils in general contain a lot of heavy chemicals. Now rice bran, as we established, is the outer covering of the rice. Now these outer coverings of the rice generally have a lot of chemicals that they have absorbed from the soil, especially in arsenic. Now during all these extraction processes that it goes through, some of these chemicals may seep out of that bran and go into the oil also. So in short, you're consuming over time a lot of heavy metals in your body. Now arsenic is one of the world's most toxic elements. High levels of arsenic have been detected in rice. Did you know that more than 10 times of arsenic is found in the rice bran oil as compared to water? Research states that the most concentration of arsenic is found in the bran of the rice, and what is used to make the rice bran oil, the name itself suggests. So in conclusion, when you are consuming rice bran oil, you are consuming nothing but a hexane solvent extracted product. It is best to choose the oil that is minimally processed and it is cold pressed. Mechanical process of extracting oil is always superior than a chemical process. So please do not fall for any advertisements that promote Rice Bran as a healthy alternative or a heart-friendly alternative. Always make sure you are understanding what you are consuming. Just put a basic logic of where does the oil come from. If the source itself does not have any oil, how will it be extracted from it? For example, you can do your own experiment on this. Even when you are at home, if you mechanically process groundnuts or coconut, you will see some amount of oil coming out from that. Try that with a bran and you will see that there is no oil at all. Make sure you select oils which are closer to the natural form. Now if you want me to do on video which are the best oils for cooking and the various oils that you can use during different times of cooking, you can always comment that down below and I'll be happy to help you. But please make sure you're staying away from these ultra processed refined oils. Take your own caution on this, do your own research and then go and buy any oil from outside. Because oil is something that you will be consuming regularly into your day-to-day life. So make sure you're using the best quality for that. I hope I'm able to help you with this video. If you know somebody who is consuming this kind of oil or who is unsure about what kind of oil to have, please share this video with them so that we have a lot of correct information going on and we are not just relying just on advertising and marketing strategies. If you have any questions, you can always comment that down below. You can connect with me on Instagram also. This is my handle. I do a lot of content over there too. I'm just a DM away in case if you have any questions. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit.